Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to talk about situation with QuantumScape Corporation. As you can see, the price has been crushed minus 15% only today, but globally and locally we can see it's crushed minus 38% from this local high already. Let's make this in the red color, and you can see it's in red color. Okay, so in this video that I made 10 days ago, the price at $14.64, what I said. Let's turn on the video and let's listen. It's already grow parabolic on the straight line, and the crash can be happen. So the higher price is going, the higher risk of the crash. So of course, the higher risk of growing, the higher risk of crash. I do mean the higher level of growing, the higher risk of crash. And let's continue. Please remind it, okay guys? Please remember. One day, I don't know, one time it could be crushed, and if price will come here, the gap can be closed and I will buy it more. So I expect to buy when the gap will be filled. So here is the gap. Let's zoom in and let's check out. Look, this is a gap, and there is a chance to fill this gap, maybe at 5.38 or lower than $5. But again, it is not 100%. I'm not sure in 100%, but there's a chance to fill the gap here, because in another history you can see the price chart of QuantumScape Corporation, the gap and this gap has been filled, by the way. The same thing for previous one. Look, here is a gap and the price crashed with the gap, and this gap has been filled again. Let's see another example. Here is a pretty small gap, crush, but by the way, this gap has been filled with squeeze. But there's a gap like this for in range from $74 to the $84, but it's not filled yet. But by the way, if I check out in the beginning, look, the price was been here like this point around 9.86 or $10, and then pump with gap, and after a while this gap has been filled in the most of percent, and only this part is not filled, by the way. But I think there is a chance to fill the gap, and I would like to see how this gap will filled, and I could buy this QuantumScape Corporation in the process of crush, and I will be glad to see that. But of course, a lot of people are jump into the growing process. People made mistake. People are always informal when they see the growing like parabolic, and of course right now there is a natural position. It is still not extreme fair, because maybe because of greed. Before the crash there is a greed, then after crash there is a neutral. Maybe tomorrow or after a few days it can be happen like fair or extreme fair if the price will continue crash. But I cannot say in 100%. So look, now the funds are not buying and price keep here. In post market it's 0%, by the way, but also there is a possibility to see the price staying here and then go down, or stay here in the long time and go up again and continue growing. I don't know, but really I don't want to see the growing right now. But by the way, if the growing will happen right now, okay, that will be good for those who hold this stock on the bottom, and I will say congratulations who hold this stock in early stages like $4, $5, I recommend to hold this stock, by the way. Selling right now it's already too late because you are selling minus 38% cheaper, and even the price has not reached to the all-time high, and a lot of people think about sell because they invested here in FOMO, and they think about selling, and after selling, of course, when the price will go up, people will lose their entry point. So this is my opinion about QuantumScape Corporation. So I want to remind that here is a beautiful accumulation. Look on this, and this is electrical products and producer manufacturing, and it's manufacture the batteries. It also engage in the provision of energy storage solutions. Here is a website, and I want to remind the website building the best battery. QuantumScape is on a mission to transfer energy storage with solid state lithium metal batteries technology. But by the way, the text here on this color with white color, it's not easy to readable. By the way, here on the green, it's good visible, but on this white, it's not good visible. By the way, here the latest updates, our technology. You can check out technology or something else. So by the way, if you are interested about website and QuantumScape Corporation, I will leave the link of website in down below, and you can see battery technology, for example, solid state batteries, and you can check it out. Energy, fast charge, life, safety, cost. So, and there are different batteries, by the way. This one, for example. Anyways, come back. Is it good time to buy now? It's not crash for me. Let's see. Let's reach the first place here to this level, for example at 6.90. But again, let's see how much it will be crash. If the price will come here, it will be minus 50%. If you've never invested yet, you can start buying at this point, like 7.46, and let's make this color to the yellow color, and after a while you can see if the price will be crushed here to the minus 35% or even minus 50%. You can invest in the stock more with more amount of money, for example, at this price. So this diapason can be a good investing diapason. Of course, let's make another point here. So if the price will reach here at $5, don't wait the perfect moment to invest in this stock, because when the gap has been filled, maybe when the gap will be filled, maybe there is a pretty high chance to go up, and the price will no longer stay here, and price will go high. Okay, but let's follow the situation and let's see what will be happen. Actually, the only time will show us the main truth, what will be happen with this stock. Look, please keep in mind there's a big volumes here accumulated. I don't know, especially they take more volume here. The big funds are buying, maybe here, or also the big volumes that increased. Look, here lower volume, but here high volume again, high volume. And if I press here, hold here, look, there is a volume here. For example, this point is 110 million, here 86 million volume, 5.59, maybe move like this, and here is better visible, by the way. Look, 10 million, 11 million, 38 million, 36 million, by the way 12 million. And if we come here, look, the volumes 72 million, 57, 65, 148 million, 85 million. Here is a 22 million, but I don't believe. $178 million volume, or maybe something else. Okay, guys, the volumes here are pretty high, and let's see what will be happen. So I said already my recommendation what to do, but selling this stock because of crash, it is absolutely not good idea. Who basically sell the stock or crypto in the process of crash? So more than 60% of people or 70% of people who cannot control their emotions to see minus in their portfolio and fear of losing the money. But in my opinion, it is not losing, it's just temporary. You are going minus, and you need just use dollar cost average, be patient, hold your position, and stay for long term. Even if you invest it in the process of growing in the grid, like $14, $15, so you have a chance to buy in the case of minus 50% of crash, and your average buy will go down also, and you will be in plus only in long term or even in middle term of your holding, because this is pretty aggressive stock and it's moving similar like cryptocurrency. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you find my video helpful, then like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to support my channel. So I want to remind my goals about QuantumScape Corporation. The first goal is here at $41. Let's make it in the blue color. And another goal here are filling this gap, of course. Let's make it partly like $78 and go to the all-time high like this point. Is it possible to reach 150 or 200? It can be possible, but let's reach to $41 the first thing and then think about higher points. Okay guys, I have a Telegram channel of investing in crypto and stock market. My thoughts, my recommendations, you can see more in Telegram channel. Link down below in the description, you can join. Just send request and I will approve it. Okay, I am saying see you in the next video. If you have questions, please feel free to ask me in comments what you think about QuantumScape Corporation. Please let me know in comments. You can also write which stock you are holding, for example your holding stock name, and may I will be analyze that stock for you, or even crypto. Okay, see you, bye bye.